we're gonna get a really good sense of how the suspension is.
Brakes aren't feeling good. That didn't stop as abruptly as I would have liked.
Okay, good,
So,
good.
Yeah, the brake pedal's a little squishy. That's my biggest concern, and then the seatbelt's got a little...
Yeah.
So there's fray right here. If I were a state inspector, I'd fail this.
I am a state inspector, and I will fail that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reverse. Oh my God, I got 3 people telling me. Third brake light's good. Left turn signal's good.
High beams? Yeah.
Running lights, fog lights, we have fog lights.
The fog lights don't matter at state inspection.
Bedrooms, dining rooms, kids' furniture.
What are you guys listening to in here?
That's an intense windshield wiper, though. I was thinking,
Wow. I think we need a new rear wiper blade. Okay.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. That's getting warmer. So we get the rear wiper blade.
Going up.
Contact should over here.
Yeah, you're good. Whoa!
Okay. Well, hold on.
I've got a pretty big pry bar. You need?
Oh, I've got a pry bar that's like me.
Are we comparing tool size right now?
Female equivalent. I won. Mine's the biggest.
Like some of the components look like they're replaced. So front looks better than the rear, though.
It is leaking, isn't it?
I think you're right.
We'll service it anyways.
What's leaking?
The drain plug.
But yeah, I mean, I guess the rust is mostly surface. It's not like full-on cancer in there. Yet, so.
I would agree. I'm just like walking around with this stick. The moose's eye is keen. We have a slight valve cover gasket seep. Very slight, very slight.
The rack is leaking a little bit right here.
Oh, they all do. They all do. Yeah, they're oversold a whole bunch. I wonder if that's where our exhaust leak is coming from.
Yeah, that's what I
Or
was
is it
thinking,
here?
too. No, I think it's here.
We might have to replace all these gaskets. Oh no, there it is. There it is. Ah, there's the leak. That's where our noise is coming from. I'm glad it's minor. No, it could have been worse. It could have been the catalytic converter split open or something. But it's just that, so. Hey, we got a welder. Who wants to weld that shut?
You can weld? Yeah, we can weld.
We can all weld.
That's good. You know.
We will weld this. Thanks to Karen.
I can put a weld spot here and there.
Shout out to Karen. Thanks.
Yeah, shout out to Karen. We can all weld. I just kind of wonder if we could sandblast some of the surface rust off.
That's what I'm thinking.
Just see like
a
how
lot
bad
of
it
this
is.
is just kind of
Yeah, I was gonna say it doesn't look like it goes all the way through the components.
Yeah, we're gonna, I think it looks like just the crush washer, just the gasket. But we're gonna be servicing all these fluids anyway, so, actually, I mean, I'm impressed on how good the suspension bushings are.
From up north.
Yeah, seriously. It did handle pretty well driving it.
hit some pretty bad bumps.
Yeah, we did. I mean, I guess I'm not worried. I'm just sort of checking this because I feel like I should. It's really not that bad. I'm actually kind of satisfied. I was worried that it was going to be a lot worse. Yeah, yellow for warning.
Yeah. Hey, is this where we adjust the parking brake?
Let me see. Yes, you can adjust it there. No, yours does not have that.
Oh, I know. I know. I've adjusted mine. Mine is fully adjusted and it still won't hold my car.
Man, look how loose that is.
Because that's gonna fail our inspection.
I almost want to just like start blasting the stuff with PV Blaster now to make our lives easier, but I don't know if that's even going to turn for us. You know? So we got a little bit of play in the U-joints here, but not bad. But I didn't hear any clunking, I didn't feel any clunking. I mean, this is going to be an awesome vehicle for someone. It's all-wheel drive. Janie's got her chocolates. It's dark chocolate. The best. Did you guys notice how much the engine shook on startup? It moved around quite a bit. So I think we've got some motor mounts, some engine mounts that we're gonna need. So you know what I was just thinking is that like I want to health check it with TechStream, but it's not going to have anything on it because the battery was so dead. So I'm going to drive it around a little bit more before I give it a health check and see if there's any code stored or anything else that we're going to have to face. So What I think we should do is get it back down on the ground, and then let's make a list of priorities, and let's find a good time to meet first and what we should do, and make sure that the date works for everyone, and then we can start our first work party.
Sounds good.
Cool. All right, let's get it back down on the ground. Yeah, first red. All right, you can shut it off. You know what I think is that I'll also probably find a lot more when we do 90K stuff, but I want 90K stuff to be like a separate thing. So timing belt and spark plugs on this. You can see like half the spark plugs. You can't see the other half of the spark plugs. We're gonna test the starting and charging system, see if there's any draws. We're gonna leave it overnight to see if anything happens. We are going to perform a front and rear brake job, and we're going to perform a brake fluid flush. After I drive a whole bunch, I'm going to do a health check with TechStream to see if there's any codes stored, to see if there's anything else like catalytic converter or octane sensors, anything else crazy. It's going to be a big money item that might bump up some things in priority. We're going to do an oil change. We're going to do a differential flush because we've got that leaking gasket, and then Brittany's going to check our alignment. I'm also going to create a separate list of all the things we can get from pull apart, so we'll sort of start brainstorming that as well. So, that being said,
Hey, at least this is encouraging because if you are reading this, you are beautiful and worth it.
No, I wasn't reading it.
you're not worried. I read it. You go read it. Anyone need $5 to check dispensing components? Mine's bigger.
Inhale the future, exhale the past.
Oh, okay,
That's a good
deep.
one.
Ooh, that's deep.
Yeah.
I'm
Inhale
getting
the
that
future.
tattooed on me.
Inhale the future, exhale the past.
Dude, mine says your vibe attracts your tribe.
True.
We gotta eat the whole bag now.